What we're going to be showing now is actually the auto setup. And what this encompasses is we have a 4 to 20 milliamp signal for the remote operation. Once again, we have the output voltage, AC output voltage of the control going to the feeder. This is the same setup for the percentage of feed, if you will. And this switch is representing the remote enable. We are now be setting the control up for the remote or the auto operation, and all of the connection points are here at the bottom. The little gray terminals, and those are terminals 38 through 42. That is where the remote enable switch or contact, dry contact, is connected. That is where the 12 to 24 volt DC enable voltage can be connected, and also the remote signal, the 4 to 20 milliamp signal, is connected all onto those gray terminals. For chassis control, use terminals 8 and 9 for enable dry contact input, terminals 9 and 10 for 12 to 24 volt DC enable, and terminals 11 and 12 for 4 to 20 milliamp signal. Now we will demonstrate the auto portion. We're switching to auto, and when we are in the auto control or the auto operation, the front start-stop switch is no longer functional. It is all done remotely via the remote enable contact, remote enable voltage, and the 4 to 20 milliamp signal. What we will do is start the control or enable the control via that remote enable signal. And as you can see, the power light illuminates, showing that the unit is energized. We are currently running at 4 milliamps. And once again, the tuning or calibration is very similar to the manual. We have 4 milliamps, which is our bottom end. Once again, we want 20 to 25% of the line voltage. In this case, it's 460, so we're looking at 115 volts out for the minimum. And just to point out, also in the auto mode, the potentiometer is no longer functional. As we increase the 4 to 20 milliamp signal, you can see our output voltage and our feed rate increases. We'll increase the signal to the 20 milliamps maximum, and once again set up our maximum trim pot for full voltage out. Going to the maximum trim pot. And again, we want to turn it clockwise just to the point where we have full output. And that will eliminate any deadband on the top side of the 20 milliamp. So as we reduce the signal, our voltage starts decreasing. If we reduce the signal all the way to 4 milliamps, we should be within the range of 20 to 25% of line voltage. And once again, there is Same thing in the manual operating mode. There is some interaction between the min trim pot and the max trim pot, so you may have to readjust it once or twice to get the fine tuning of the set points. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. It is one of a 4-part series about the Unicon high current control. Please check out our other Eriez videos on our YouTube channel or contact us at the telephone number shown on the screen.